Hello friends, so let us discuss about the complementation. So the definition of the complementation is that the complementation of a language is defined in terms of set difference from this is the sigma star. So that means, as I told in the last video, if two languages are complement to each other, then since complementation is represented by L dash, so L and intersection L dash will be phi. There will be no string in common, and L union L dash will be the universal set that contains all the subset that can be made by that strings. So one remark is there: if L is a regular language, then L dash will also be a regular language. Please make a note on it. And so how to construct a DFA? If any language L is there, so L can be defined by these 5 parameters, where Q is state, sigma is the alphabets, this is transition, initial state and final state. So if we want to construct a DFA for L dash, that means for the complementation, then we will have the same states, same alphabet, same transition, same initial state. Only the change will be what was the final state, that will be changed into non-final, and whatever will be the non-final, that will be changed into final state. Only that is the difference. One remark also is there that complementation is only possible for DFA, not for NFA, because DFA shows transition for all states, and since NFA shows only transition for required things, we will discuss NFA and AMPSON and NFA in further videos. But till now we can note that NFA does not show transition for each states. That's why complementation for them is not possible. So let us discuss by example. So we have to construct a DFA which contains even length string. So the language will be even epsilon A or AB or BA BB, similarly A in the same way. That means we will consider epsilon in our language, that means the initial state will be the final state, and if we will get any number of first A or first B, we will reach to the next state. We will not consider it as the final state in our DFA, and again if we will get any A or any B, again reach to the initial state and the final state. So this is the DFA. And let us consider that language L1. When we make the DFA for odd length string L2, that will contain A, B, A, B, A, such types of strings in the language, and we will make the DFA will not take initial state. As soon as any number of first A or first B comes, we will reach to the final states. Let us name as A, B, and again if any A or B comes, we reach to non-final state. So if we will compare these two DFA, we can see only one difference in that. What is that? That we have made the non-final state as final state, and to the final state to non-final state, and non-final to final state. Only this is the difference. And we will see here the language L1 and L2, and take intersection, there is no element, and if L1 union L2, this will be the universal subset for A, B. That means L1 and L2 both are complement to each other. Let us take one more example to understand more clearly. So this is the string starting with A. So the language will be A, B, A. Only the condition is that the string should start with A. So it will make the DFA. As soon as first A comes, we will reach to the final state. And if it starts with B, we will reach to the dead state, because after that whatever will come, we will reject it, we will not accept that. Okay, so after first A comes, whatever will come, we will accept. So that is the language, and that is the DFA. So another language here is that string starting with B or not starting with B, A. And since we can see here that these two languages are complement to each other, that means the language will contain epsilon, B, any number of B, and it will not start with A, and B, A, what was it. So if we want to construct the DFA for it, what is the change we need to do is that we will make the same states, same transition as it is that we have made in the this DFA. Only we need to change is that we will this was the non-final state, so we will take it as final state, and this state also as final state, and this was the final state, so we will cut it, we will consider only it as a non-final state. This will be not, this state will be present there, but this will be non-final state. So thank you. In the further videos we will see more examples.